I can't believe this is my last Victoria's Secret shopping haul of the year. It's definitely not going to be my last. There will be many more. But as of now, this is the last one. I don't think I will be going back anytime soon in the next couple weeks. But I did want to share with you some beautiful things that I got both online and in store. Some of the online things that I purchased were from the most recent Loveshack Fancy collection. For some reason, my order took about 3 weeks to arrive. So then I ended up going back in store and got more things. So I decided why not and just do an entire Victoria's Secret shopping haul. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I'll start off first with my online order. So from the Loveshack Fancy collection, I ended up getting the beautiful and iconic pink dog. At first, I was not going to get it because I already have the other one from the Loveshack Fancy collection, but they're both so different and they're so beautiful. And I think this one here, I'm actually going to keep inside of the box. The other one, I threw the box away and I wish I would have kept it because the box is beautiful. It is gorgeous. It has floral designs all over and the pink dog just looks so gorgeous and so iconic. And it is just so pretty. The next thing I ordered is this amazing clutch. Look how beautiful, glam, and girly this is. When I saw this online, I was so excited. I love little clutches like this, but when I got this and I saw it in person, I was like, wow, this is definitely worth every penny. It has little rhinestones throughout the entire clutch with a beautiful pink bow design, and it has this gorgeous gold chain with little dangling charms. It's so pretty. Like, I can't say enough. The inside looks like this. It's pink, and it even has an extra little zipper compartment in there. This was like one thing that I did not want to miss out from this collection. So I made sure I picked that one out from that collection. The next thing I got from the Loveshack Fancy collection is the beautiful boxy sweater. I know a lot of people said that it looked very like big and boxy. In my opinion, I think it looks really pretty. It's almost kind of like a cropped type of a sweater, but not too cropped. It is on the bigger side, so it is more like loose fitting, which I totally love. It looks beautiful with like leggings or jeans and then maybe some UGG shoes. I did get mine in the size medium. That is my size and I went with that size. But honestly, I love the way it looks. I am going to say though, I only wore it once and it already has tons of like fuzzies all over. Didn't even wear it for like that long, but I noticed immediately it just started getting like a bunch of these little like fuzzies all over. For a price like this, I would not expect the quality to be like this bad and just like get fuzzy all over. I have sweaters literally from like Shein, from like Temu, from Amazon that have cost me only a fraction of the cost and they didn't even like get fuzzy like this. So I was very sad with the quality of the sweater. That's just my opinion. The sweater is beautiful and I did get tons of compliments. I can see why it's beautiful. It has the iconic pink logo with the dog. It's just very unfortunate that the quality is not as great, especially for the price of the sweater. So I'm just going to be very careful with this sweater. Maybe just wear it one more time before the end of the year, but I'll definitely have to be very, very careful, especially when washing it. The next thing I picked up from this collection that is my favorite out of the entire collection, and if I could only choose one thing, this is what I would get. So I ended up getting the sweater dress with the iconic rhinestone dog, and it is so pretty. Like, it's so glam. The dog has like a little pink bow on it. It is so sparkly. Like, I absolutely adore this sweater. Look how pretty. It's so blingy. So from the reviews, I did go with a size small, and if it's perfect, it is a little bit more on the shorter side for me at least. I don't know if it's because I'm 5'6". Maybe if I was a little shorter, it would look more like a dress, but it is more like a mini dress for me. So I do have to wear something like underneath, maybe some leggings instead of like tights, but I am going to wear it with some tights just so you can see what it looks like. It is a beautiful sweater. Quality on this sweater is really good. I am very happy with the quality. It's very fuzzy inside, very warm, and it's just beautiful. I wonder if I would have gotten the size medium if it would have been a little bit longer. Maybe it would have, but I did go the size small and I'm happy with it. It's just such a pretty sweater. This is definitely my favorite out of the entire collection. Those were the 4 items that I got from the Loveshack Fancy collection. I also picked up some things online that are not from that collection, but it is such an iconic piece that I had to get it. I got this beautiful jewelry box in shape of a heart, and I just love this so much. Did I need another jewelry box? No, I have so many. I did not need another one, but how could I say no to this? It's so iconic, so beautiful, and I think it's a limited edition. It has like the beautiful like Victoria's Secret pink stripes all over it, and it's actually a pretty decent size. It's really well made as well. This is the inside of it. Check it out how pretty, and it has like a space for your rings. You can put like bracelets, earrings, etc. It is very, very pretty. I can't wait to add some of my favorite jewelry pieces to this beautiful jewelry box and just place it there in the back. It's so beautiful. I think it's just like such a unique piece, and I'm glad I picked it out. So the next thing I got also online is this gorgeous set, and I had been eyeing this set for quite a while. You get 5 lip products in this beautiful set. I just love the packaging. I love it so much. I don't even want to take it out. But of course, I'm going to take out the products because they're so beautiful. I do already have this lip gloss, and it's so nice. It smells so good. It's the Sugar High flavored lip gloss. You also get a lip glow, a shimmer gloss, a shimmer plumper, and a cocoa berry flavored tinted lip mask. So you do get a lot of products for your money. It's definitely worth it, and they're all so beautiful. I'm so excited with this little kit, and I'm going to display it somewhere in my vanity. I just think it's so, so pretty. The last thing I ordered online is this adorable pink dog. Isn't it just so pretty? Like when I saw this, I was like, wow, I need to get this. So it's a pink dog, but there's actually a tote bag inside. And that's the reason why I got it, because I'm a teacher and I'm always carrying books, materials, a bunch of stuff, and it's like all over in my hands. So I decided to get this because first of all, it's adorable. It's tiny, but on the inside, there is a tote bag, a foldable tote bag that you can take out. And it looks like this. I actually have not opened it, so let me go ahead and open it with you. So the tote bag fits inside the little dog. Look how cute it is. This is so adorable, like absolutely adorable. I'm so glad I got it. And then you get the little tote bag inside, and it has like the pink logo all over. It's very soft, very, very spacious, and this is going to fit like all my stuff, all my material, my books, and all my stuff that I need to bring in. And then it has this little clasp right here, so you can attach the dog to it like this, and you have your tote bag with your little pink dog. And when you're done or no longer need the tote bag, you just roll it back up and stuff it inside the dog. And I thought that was just the most adorable thing. I am so glad I picked this up. I only saw this online, so I'll try to link it, but it was like meant to be when I saw this. I also got a new pair of slippers. I love these so much. I love the pink on these. It's like the prettiest, perfect pink, the pink that I like. And it has the Victoria's Secret logo on it. You know, a girl can never have enough slippers. I also got a perfume, and oh my goodness, I am obsessed with this perfume. But I was like, I'm gonna wait for it to go on sale. But then I was like, you know what, this is probably not going to go on sale. I might as well just get it now. And I am so glad I did. It smells delish. So the perfume I got is the Bare Suede Vanilla. They do have this one in the original scent, which is the Bare. They also had the Bare Rose, which I'm not a huge fan of personally. I'm not big into like floral scents, but this one smells incredible. If you love sweet scents, if you love vanilla, you are going to adore this perfume. So this perfume has wild saffron, creamy sandalwood, and vanilla milk. I am telling you, it smells incredible, and the packaging is gorgeous. So this is the bottle. It is so beautiful. I did get the smaller size. I should have gotten the bigger one because I am already obsessed with it. I can honestly tell you this is going to be a repurchase. It has this pretty light pink cap. but it just smells so good. I am obsessed with this fragrance. It is so good. And surprisingly, it lasts a long time. I know with the Victoria's Secret fragrances, some of them don't really last long. This one will literally last throughout the whole day. So check it out. I will link it down below. It's one of my favorite ones at the moment. I also got a shimmering body oil. This one is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Shimmering Body Oil. It smells so good. And it doesn't have like too much of that shimmer, so it's not like super overwhelming. It's just very, very subtle. And I love this, especially to put after like a shower. And it just makes your skin smell so good. It smells really good. I love the way this one smells, and it makes your skin look very, very hydrated, very glossy, and it has a little hint of shimmer. Love the packaging too. It's beautiful. The last thing I got is a body scrub. I normally always tend to go for the coconut body scrub. I always feature that one in my hauls because I always pick one up. But when I smell this one, I fell in love with it. I think it's a new one, but I think it's going to be one of my newest obsessions. It smells so amazing. This one's called the Victoria's Secret Feel Comfort Whipped Body Scrub, and some of the scents is vanilla orchid, which I love, and sandalwood. This is what it looks like, and I love their body scrubs. They're actually pretty big, decent size. So that was everything I got from Victoria's Secret. I can't believe it's the last shopping haul of the year. I can't wait to see the new things they come up with for 2026. I hope you all have an incredible rest of your week. Happy New Year. I love you all so, so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.